Hello, my name is Ambi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make ginger tea. The ingredients you will need is 1 glass of water, 1 glass of milk, 1 teaspoon of tea powder,
Half spoon of sugar.
1 1/2 spoon of sugar. The measurements are optional. A small piece of ginger, something to smash like this, and a tea filter. First, you are going to turn on the stove and put the water in it. Second, you are going to add the 1 teaspoon of tea powder. You are going to smash the ginger like this. Okay, it will look like this, and you will dump it in like here. Okay, done. Now you're going to add a 1/2 spoon of sugar. Measurements are optional, like I said. Now you're going to have to wait for it to boil. After the boiling, we are gonna add the milk. Now we are going to add the milk since the tea is all boiled. You will get this texture, like a lightish brown. Okay, so we added the milk, it's done, we waited, maybe for a long time or not. Now we are going to add the tea into the cups. You will take your tea filter like this, and maybe you should turn off the stove at first. Then you're going to pour it slowly. Okay, second cup. Okay, now you have your tea. Hope you had a great day. Bye.